This challenge is called Disk Sleuth. It's a medium level challenge in the forensics category from the picoCTF 2021 event. The description says, use search_strings from the sleuth kit and some terminal foo to find a flag in this disk image. And then there's a link to a disk image over here. So in order to finish this challenge, what we need to do is we need to right-click on this link and select Copy Link Address. After we've done that, we can go over to our web shell and start solving the challenge. So the first thing we need to keep in mind for these disk image forensics challenges is that we can't necessarily put very large files into our home directory. So the way we're going to be working with this disk image is we're going to be creating our own directory in the temporary directory on the picoCTF server. So in order to do that, we're going to use the makedir command in the temp and then ... and then some name that's not being used by anybody else. So in my case, I'm going to create a directory called ... the shy hat because that's my name. And then we're going to enter that directory. Okay, and once we're there, we can download the file. So we're going to use wget, and then we're going to paste in the address to that disk image over here, and then we're going to hit return to download the file. Okay, so after we've done that, we see that the .gz file is in our directory. So this is a compressed file, and what we need to do is we need to use gunzip to unzip, uncompress, decompress the file. So we can do that with the gunzip command and then supply the file name and then run that. It'll take a few seconds to execute, but then afterwards we'll see that the dds1-alpine.flag.img file is in here. Just to make sure we know what this is, we're going to run the file command on it. And it says that it is a MBR boot sector partition 1. Okay, so this looks like the right kind of file. So the first thing we need to do is we need to use search strings. So like the challenge description says, we have to use this program right here, search strings, from sleuthkit and some terminal foo to get the flag from the disk. So what we're going to do here is, let me clear this off. We're going to use the search strings command. So it's srch_strings, and then the name of the file that we're working with. If we just run this by itself, it's just going to return all of the strings found inside the image. So we can't necessarily find anything good in here unless we take a long time to search through all this stuff. But we don't have that time to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine this command and we're going to pipe it into the grep command. And as we all know, all of the picoCTF flags begin with the flag prefix pico. So we're going to grep for the pattern pico from all the strings inside of the disk image. So when we run that, it's going to run a little bit. It returns a couple of instances of the string pico. And then it returns the flag, which is this one right here. So we were able to get the string that has the picoCTF flag because we use grep from the search strings command over here, and we search for the term pico. So we found the flag. So all we need to do now is submit the flag to finish the challenge. So copy this flag, then go back to the challenge description page, and in the flag submission field down here, we're going to paste in the flag and then click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.